Hello guys, welcome back to my Dubai Dev YouTube channel. Today I am here in Burj Khalifa. Today I want to unbox one beautiful camera which is Insta360 into 5. This camera has many features. With a 360-degree angle you can take video and photography. This is the noon.com. Noon.ae. I buy this camera from noon.ae. Noon is supplying genuine products with guarantee and always with the discounted price. I have started unboxing. I don't have knife. I am started with the pen only. See this package also they made very nice. Wow, it's a very beautiful. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, I love this camera. I was waiting from long time. We'll see, okay? There is a 2-3 types of bundle, but I buy the Insta360 degree Essential Bundle. This Insta360 degree Essential Bundle as it includes the bag Insta360 with lens guard, you can see, and with the additional one battery will be there, and 2 battery charging case, and C-type charging cable, lens cleaning cloth, and invisible selfie sticks. Oh my god, see how it is beautiful. This will be useful for the bloggers. Really, it gives a good, natural and beautiful view. See the pouch, how it is. It's this is the bag, sorry. See, this is the camera. Wow, see, lovely camera with, see, the lens guard. This is the lens guard with the camera already, but you need to buy only the thing is what you called SD card. Sorry, see, there is no SD card. We need to buy separately. This is the charging case. So we can charge here. We can charge 2 batteries at a time. This is the one. See. Wow, this is the lens guard. They are giving 2 lens guard also. This one you need to fix with the lens. This is the pouch they given. You can see here. Pouch has cleaning cloth. This is the cable. C-type cable you can see. Also cleaning cloth. There is one more thing. Oh, selfie stick I did not take. Yeah, my god, I got selfie stick. This is invisible. When you taking the video, you cannot see the stick. Nice. First time. Oh, wow. This is 114 centimeter. You can buy also additionally. This is the extra battery. Same battery. This is extra. And you can buy additional things also from the Insta360. The tripod you can buy. This is the warranty cards. Oh my, so many warranty cards. Each material there is a warranty card. You can read it slowly. See, and with this Insta360 we can take many shots, drone shots also. For the drone shot you have to buy the extend stick. It is available. Oh my god, there is no screen guard also. We need to buy the screen guard and SD card. Without these two things we cannot make the video. Okay, Insta360 has a many option. It's giving a beautiful videos. I saw the YouTubers, they are showing different shots with this Insta360 and it's a beautiful view. You will feel like it's making from the movie camera. There is no any other, little bit getting hot only. I mean, if you using continuously, it will be little hot, and the battery life is around 2 hours. But when you charging, it will complete within 20 minutes only. Anyway, if you have extra batteries, you will not see the Burj Khalifa fountain. Also, it's a beautiful. Thank you. See you on the next video, guys. Bye bye. Take care. See you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and support me. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Love you all. See you guys in the next video. I will try to review my Insta360 into X5 in future video, and I will make the video how it will be. I will show you. Thank you guys. See you.